This infographic uses a QWERTY keyboard and 2 hands to visualize and teach the proper hand and finger placement for touch typing. Touch typing is typing using all one's fingers and without looking at the keys, which can greatly increase typing speed and accuracy. The chart uses colors to associate each key with the correct finger to press it. The left hand is responsible for the left half of the keyboard. The index finger, shown here with a purple dot, covers the keys 4, 5, R, T, F, G, V, and B. The middle finger, with a yellow dot, is used for the 3, E, D, and C keys. The ring finger, with a blue dot, is for 2, W, S, and X. The little finger, shown in green, is 4, 1, Q, A, and Z, as well as all the left side modifier keys. The right hand is used for the right half of the keyboard. The index finger, shown here with a purple dot, covers the keys 6, 7, Y, U, H, J, N, and M. The middle finger, with a yellow dot, is used for the 8, I, K, and comma keys. The ring finger, with a blue dot, is for 9, O, L, and period keys. The little finger, shown in green, is for all keys from 0 to the right, as well as all the right side modifier keys. The thumbs are colored red in the diagram, and according to this chart, they are only used for pressing the spacebar. Which thumb is used to press the spacebar is a matter of personal preference. Generally, it is recommended to use the thumb of the dominant hand or whichever thumb is more comfortable. The top row of numbers is split between the 2 hands. This is meant for quick and efficient number entry without having to use the number pad. It also gives typists another way to enter symbols. The numbers 1 to 5 are typed with the left hand, and 6 to 0 are typed with the right hand. The dash and equals keys are typed with the right little finger. The top row of letters follows the QWERTY layout, which is the most common keyboard layout in the world. The left hand types Q, W, E, R, and T, while the right hand types Y, U, I, O, and P. The bracket keys and backslash key are all typed with the right little finger. The home row is the central row of keys where the fingers rest in the neutral position. For the left hand, the fingers rest on A, S, D, and F, while the right hand rests on J, K, L, and. The G and H keys are typed with the index fingers of the left and right hands, respectively. When not typing, it's best to keep fingers on the home row. The bottom row of letters is typed with the fingers of both hands. The left hand is responsible for Z, X, C, and V, while the right hand types B, N, M, and the comma and period keys. The / key is typed with the right little finger. The number pad is typically used for rapid numeric entry, especially in data entry and accounting. The index, middle, and ring fingers are used for the 3 columns of numbers, with the little finger used for the function keys and the thumb for the 0 and 00 keys. This layout is designed for one-handed operation. The left side modifier keys, including Tab, Caps Lock, Shift, and Control, are all pressed with the left little finger. This allows for easy access to these frequently used keys while keeping the other fingers on the home row. The left Alt key is shown as being pressed by the left thumb in this diagram, but often it's pressed with the index finger, and the left thumb can also be used for the spacebar. The right side modifier keys, including Backspace, Enter, and Shift, are all pressed with the right little finger. The right Alt and Control keys are also typically pressed with the right little finger, although the diagram shows the right Alt key being pressed with the right thumb. This configuration allows for efficient typing and quick access to common functions.